How do you rebuild trust after being repeatedly betrayed by those closest to you? I had a best friend from school, and we were inseparable from 7th to 12th grade. We joined the same college, and our parents arranged for us to share a room. But my roommate started acting strangely, ignoring me and showing clear signs of hatred. When I confronted her, she revealed that she had heard negative things about me from random people, some true and some false. The worst part was that this information came from my best friend, who I had trusted with my secrets. I felt utterly betrayed and devastated. Despite her apology, she continued to talk behind my back. After finishing school, I chose a different career path and didn't bother cutting her off. Similar betrayals from others followed, and I stopped making deep friendships, leaving me with only acquaintances.